How to add dependent W-2 on TaxAct. Open your TaxAct account and sign in with your username and password. Start a new tax return or open the return you want to work on. Go to the federal section of the tax return. Continue to the income area of the return. Choose wages and salaries from the income options. Select the option to add a new form. W-2. Enter the employer name exactly as shown on the W-2 form. Type the wages and tax information from the W-2 form carefully. Check the box that says someone can claim this person as a dependent if it appears. Continue through the questions about the dependent work income. Review the entered W-2 information to make sure everything is correct. Save the information and continue to the next section. Complete the remaining tax questions for the dependent return. Review the full return and submit the tax filing when everything looks correct. Thank you for watching.